What's up, everybody? You already know who it is. It's your boy, RJ Randy J, coming at you live in the building. Alright, so we're gonna need these keys, and that's it. So, I want y'all to hear this, man. So, you know, not too long ago, I fucking was racing somebody. Well, not racing somebody, but just running somebody. And all of a sudden, like, my ECP or EPC light came on. Wherever the hell that light is down there, whatever. So, it came on, and I'm like, oh, damn. Like, I had a big loss of power. Under pressure, you hear a lot of fucking, like, boosts coming out. Like, you know, like under full throttle, you hear this motherfucker screaming like, psst. I'm like, whoa, damn, I like that. But I know that's bad. That's bad. You know what I mean? That's a leak right there telling you. You know, big drop in pressure. I want y'all to hear this. You know what I'm saying? Let's hit it start up real quick. Pop this hood real quick. Oh, you gotta have the door open though. Yeah, let's open that up. I don't want y'all getting all wet underneath this hood, boy. This is golden right here. Bam! Look at that, boy. That's 500 horses right there underneath the hood. What you talking about? Woo. You hear that shit? Damn. That's no bueno. See how it sounds when I rev it up. Comment down below if you already know what that is, though. Dead ass. Oh shit. I ain't even get on the damn thing. But that's alright. Only need one side anyway. Woo! Your boy needs some tires, boy. Damn! Yeah, I definitely need some tires. So y'all, I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but there go the problem right there. You see that? That's a goddamn hole in the side of the damn intercooler. Boy, I was boosting so much that I blew a hole in the side. Let's get the party started. Oh, man. Watch out, son. Really gotta zoom through this. Remember, y'all, the bolt with the washer goes up inside between the bumper and the fender. You feel me?
What happens when you don't know what the hell you're doing?
Pop the grill out, pop the grill out, pop the grill out, pop the grill out. Oh shit. Oh man. No tabs, huh? Okay. Alright, y'all, so I gotta take my license plate off because I gotta pull this bumper off. I can't get that grill off with nothing. You know, maybe I ain't using these muscles good enough. But we're gonna try to see if we can pull this bumper off without even taking the grill off. See what's up, y'all. Shit, I hope I can take this motherfucker off without taking this grill off. But from the looks of it, shit, it don't look like I can. I ain't breaking no times. I'd be pissed if I did. What's up, son? Yeah. So I guess you gotta pull up back. Lord have mercy. Damn, y'all, that sounds bad. Look like we broke one clip, but we got the rest of them out. Oh well. Damn. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, slide over, son. Slide that way. Bumper is off.
All that just so that you can take the bumper?
Yep.
God damn, dude.
That's right, old lady. Damn, y'all. Look at that low life. Yep. One day I ran up over a curve at the gas station. Made a turn too wide and boop, boop. So you have the 4 bolts here and here, and then on the other side, and then you have these 2. So you can see that, bam, bam. And there's another set on the other side. So you want to make sure you take those off because it's gonna bring the fucking radiator and shit and the intercooler down. So make sure you take those off too, y'all. All right, let's get back into this. Bam, there we go. I guess this is oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. We got a goddamn sensor right here. Oh, okay. There we go. We got it out. Oh shit. Oh shit now. Okay, y'all. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. Almost. Just a little bit more longer and we should be good. I think we are, I don't know what time it is, but not even an hour in yet. Maybe close to an hour. Pull this off. Pull this off, y'all. God damn. This shit just popping off and shit. You know that look. That's when you break something. There's a couple of clips right here that we're gonna pull off. Oh yeah, I had to take the goddamn hood prop out. For the fact is, we got to pull all this out because it's set right up in here. So those are 7mm. One hose off. Me and Jerome, we had some time getting that crash sensor off. All right, so that's off. Now we pull that forward a little bit. So there go the hole. So that's where the leak was.
Holy shit!
Came out from there.
From that support clamp.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's why you had a lot of shaking on this side here.
Yep.
So it actually broke off.
You have to take the intercooler, which is up front.
Yep. It must be there. We go. So we caught still on the radiator. If we can push the radiator back a little bit.
Yeah, I got the radiator on this side.
Okay. Oh, the AC line. There we go. There we go. Okay. I got it. There we go. All right. Not half bad, y'all.
Piece of shit.
Not half bad. Ooh, y'all see that, y'all? Shit. Almost. Almost. All right, y'all.
It's 12:30 at night.
Nah. Ain't no 12:30. It's more like 6.
Okay, 12:25.
Took us about 3 hours, man. Well, close to 4 hours. Close to 4. But we got it, so now we're going to start it up. So, It's not starting, guys. It says key's not in range. So what we're gonna do is we gotta see with the other key. But I think I might have a fuse blown. Oh, might be my key. I got the other key and this key works. Maybe it's alive. Woo! Let's go take it for a test drive. Woo! All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna end the video off on that note. Hey, y'all need y'all shit worked on? Hit me up. Nah, just playing. But we'll do it. Just bring your car over. We'll get some beer. Boom! We outie, baby. Let's get it. It took me about 4 hours for that job. 4 hours. That's pretty good, I guess. I don't know how long that job costs, what it costs for, but yeah, not bad. So stay tuned, y'all. See y'all next time. Bow!